I spread my money across various asset classes, not putting all eggs in one basket. It's all about managing. Hi there, fellow real estate enthusiasts. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we are taking a deep dive into the world of real estate investing from a personal perspective. As an active real estate investor, I have discovered that 9 specific money habits have paved the way for me to save and invest in one property at a time and multiply our net worth every few years. Stick around because I will not only share these habits but also explain why they are so crucial in our journey to real estate investment process. If you are new here, please consider subscribing and turn on the notification bell so that you won't miss any of my future videos. My name is Korianne and I'm excited to share more of my real estate investment journey with you. The money habit number 1 is budgeting blueprint. First up, let's talk about budgeting. Keeping a meticulous budget is essential for every real estate investor. It's allowed me to track income and expenses, ensuring I have a clear picture of my financial landscape, and enable me to allocate funds for my property investments. Habit number 2 is the emergency fund safety net. Having an emergency fund is like having a financial armor. I keep a dedicated savings account for emergencies, ensuring I can handle any unexpected property-related expenses without derailing my investment plans. Number 3 is the practical lifestyle. To make room for investments, I have embraced a practical spending lifestyle. Living below my means enable me to accumulate more capital for property acquisitions and other investments. It's all about prioritizing long-term financial goals. I found joy in cooking at home, not only to maintain our health, but also to reduce our dining out expenses and save significant amount of money each year, even though both my husband and I had a very busy careers. As our income grew over the years, we chose not to expand our lifestyle. Instead, we consistently save 40 to 50% of our take-home income because I understood the importance of the time value of money. Another money-saving habit of mine is keeping my car for an extended period, driving it until it eventually breaks down. My previous car served me well for a remarkable 15 years. However, there is one thing I'm always willing to spend on: a family vacations every year. I firmly believe that the time spent creating memories with my kids is priceless and irreplaceable. While I know I can continue to earn more money, I also recognize that time is something I can never regain. Money habit number 4, the automation's advantage. Automation is my secret weapon. By setting up automatic transfer to my savings and investment accounts, I guarantee a portion of my income is consistently saved away for a future property purchases. I have discovered that this habit is highly effective because it keeps me grounded in my investment objectives. Once an account reaches 0, it serves as a clear signal not to allocate further funds to it, ensuring I stay on track with my financial goals. I recommend giving this habit a try, such as setting up automatic savings for your initial investment property. Then you have a clear down payment target in mind. Once this account reaches its goal, you would have the funds you need to start investing in a property. It's a practical approach to work toward your real estate investment aspirations. Habit number 5, debt demolitions. High interest debts can hinder financial growth. I make it a priority to pay off debts with highest interest rate, reducing financial stress and increasing my ability to invest in promising properties. Critically, I conduct review of our existing mortgage loan. My strategy is to prioritize paying off the mortgage with the next higher interest rate within our portfolio and work my way down the list. This approach helps us enhance our cash flow over time. Habit number 6, the diversification dance. Diversification is crucial in real estate, but also in my overall investment strategy. I spread my money across various asset classes, not putting all eggs in one basket. It's all about managing risk and optimizing returns. Investment assets go through different seasons, with some performing better than others due to the sudden economic shift. Having a deep understanding of each investment assets allows you to allocate them strategically based on your individual risk tolerance. The habit number 7, the education expeditions. I never stop learning. I invest in books, courses, and seminars to expand my financial knowledge continuously. This ongoing education equipped me to make informed investment decisions and adapt to market changes. Just as a doctor undergo regular training to maintain their licenses, real estate investors must never cease learning. Continual education is essential because knowledge is your most valuable asset when navigating a dynamic and ever-changing market. Habit number 8, the patient pursuit of perfections. Patience pay off in real estate. I understand that not every property is a golden opportunity. I wait for the right moment, ensuring my investment has the best potential for profit. The majority of my time is dedicated to property underwriting. For every 20-30 projects I evaluate, I typically discover one that I align with my investment objectives. I have a preference for high quality projects that I can hold for an extended period. Habit number 9, the power of networking. Lastly, I place great value on networking and collaborations. Building relationships with other investors, professionals, and mentors open doors to joint ventures and opportunities I may not discover on my own. Several years ago, I anticipated in the local apartment investor meeting where I had the opportunity to connect with new fellow investors seeking equity sponsor for their projects. I decided to get involved, and the experience was truly fantastic. Not only did I contribute to their projects, but I also earned impressive return on my invested capital. So there you have it, the 9 money habits that have empowered me, a real estate investor, to save and invest in one real estate project at a time and multiply our net worth every few years. By incorporating these habits into your financial routine, you can also pave your path to real estate investment success. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel for more insight into the world of real estate investing, and ring the notification bell so you will never miss a new video. Share your thoughts and experiences and questions in the comment below. Remember, with the right money habits, your journey in real estate investment can be a rewarding one. As always, thanks for tuning in to my channel. Let's learn, invest, and make a huge impact. Ciao! Hi, baby! Hi, sweetie.
Hi, Mom.
We are in Canopy Walk in El Nido, the highest point in El Nido. Handsome.